Hey, let me show you a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. This one comes from European distribution. So let's take a look what we can find inside, what accessories, and how the device looks. So to open it, as you can see, we have to just remove these stickers at the bottom. And right now, on the box, we can already find some information about charger. There's no charger inside. And here we can find recommended charger between 10 to 45 watts. So that's how it actually looks in the box. It comes without foil on the back. We got 3 cameras. There is the flashlight. And this is the plastic bag. It's not made out of the glass, definitely. On the left side, okay, there's no any button on the left side, but on the right side we can find volume buttons and power button. At the top, there's 2 microphones. At the bottom, we can find SIM slot, microphones, speaker, and USB-C port. Now let's take it off. And there's also selfie camera at the top. And now let's take a look for some other accessories. Okay, but there's nothing here, maybe inside this part. So here we can find SIM tool. There's the cable inside and some paperwork. But there's no charger, there's no case or stuff like this. And if you are wondering about SIM slot, then let's find out. So I'm gonna open it. And as you can see, we got here dual SIM, but there's no memory card slot, unfortunately. So yeah, this is it. Just quick unboxing of this device. Thanks for watching.